Do you feel anxious about traveling? Travel anxiety is a real and common experience for many of us. It can be characterized by a sense of unease or worry that crops up either before or during a journey. The reasons behind this anxiety are as varied as the people who experience it. Perhaps it's the fear of the unknown that unsettles you. Stepping into new places, encountering different cultures, or navigating unfamiliar languages can stir up apprehension. Or maybe it's the fear of flying that sends your heart racing, the thought of being thousands of feet above ground in a metal tube. For some, it's concern about health and safety that fuels their travel anxiety. The possibility of falling ill in a foreign land or worries about personal security can be overwhelming. But remember this, if you've ever felt this way, know that you're not alone. There are strategies to help, and we're going to explore them together. Brought to you by Travel Tips TV. Identifying what triggers your travel anxiety is the first step towards managing it. Welcome to the next phase of your journey to a more comfortable and enjoyable travel experience. We're talking about triggers today. These are the specific situations or factors that spark your travel anxiety. Identifying them can be a game changer, helping you to anticipate, understand, and mitigate your anxiety. One common trigger is the language barrier. Being in a place where you can't effectively communicate can feel isolating. The fear of not being understood or misunderstanding others can significantly heighten anxiety levels. If this resonates with you, you're not alone. Next on the list is unfamiliar environments. Let's face it, we're creatures of habit. We like familiarity, routine, and predictability. Travel often disrupts these comfort zones, plunging us into new territories with different customs, cultures, and ways of life. This can be exciting for some, but for others, it can be a major source of stress. Safety concerns are another biggie. Fears about personal safety, health risks, or the safety of one's belongings can cast a dark shadow over travel plans. This could be particularly pronounced if you're traveling to a location with a reputation for crime, health issues, or political instability. Now, these are just a few examples. Your triggers could be entirely different. Maybe it's the fear of flying, or worries about getting lost, or concerns about dietary restrictions. It's unique to each individual. Take a moment to reflect on your past travel experiences. Think about the times you felt most anxious. What was happening? What were you worried about? The answers to those questions can help you pinpoint your triggers. Understanding these triggers doesn't mean you're doomed to be controlled by them. Quite the opposite. It's like having a map of a minefield. You know where the hazards are, which means you can navigate around them, or better yet, disarm them. By recognizing your triggers, you're already one step closer to overcoming your travel anxiety. Preparation is key when it comes to easing travel anxiety. Now, this isn't just about packing your suitcase, although that's certainly a part of it. This is about laying the groundwork for a smooth journey, and that starts long before you zip up your luggage. Firstly, let's talk about researching your destination. Dive into the culture, the customs, the must-see sites. Understand the local etiquette and norms. This not only helps you respect the local culture, but also prevents you from feeling out of place. Additionally, it's beneficial to familiarize yourself with the local transportation system. Knowing how to navigate through a new city can take a load off your mind. Next, language. If you're traveling to a country where your native language isn't widely spoken, it's helpful to learn a few key phrases. Greetings, directions, and common questions can go a long way. You don't need to be fluent, but a handful of phrases can help you feel more comfortable and prepared. Now, on to packing. This should be done well in advance to eliminate any last-minute stress. Make a list of essentials and check them off as you go. Think about what you'll need for different weather conditions, for various activities you plan to do, and don't forget your travel documents. Keep them organized and accessible. Lastly, consider potential scenarios that might cause anxiety and come up with solutions in advance. Flight delays, lost luggage, or getting lost are common issues travelers face. Having backup plans can provide a sense of control. For instance, keep a digital copy of your travel documents. Have essential items in your carry-on in case your luggage gets lost, or use a map app to navigate around. Remember, the aim of all this preparation isn't to eliminate the possibility of things going wrong. That's simply not realistic. But by anticipating potential issues and having a plan, you take the unknown, which can be a major source of anxiety, and make it known. With good preparation, you can turn uncertainty into excitement. It's all about transforming the unfamiliar into the familiar, the unexpected into the expected. And that, dear friends, is how preparation can help alleviate your travel anxiety. While on the go, relaxation techniques can be a lifesaver. They are your invisible toolbox, ready to be opened whenever travel anxiety tries to sneak in. So let's explore some of these techniques. First on the list is deep breathing. This is a simple yet powerful tool that you can use anytime, anywhere. When you notice stress beginning to mount, take a moment to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this cycle several times. As you do so, you might notice a calming effect washing over you. It's like a mini vacation for your nervous system. Next, let's talk about meditation. This might sound a bit intimidating if you've never tried it before, but it doesn't have to be. Meditation is about grounding yourself in the present moment. It can be as simple as closing your eyes and focusing on your surroundings. Listen to the hum of the plane's engine, feel the rhythm of the train's wheels, or simply observe the bustling city around you. By focusing your attention, you can help quiet the anxious chatter in your mind. Lastly, there's mindfulness. This is similar to meditation, but it's more about being aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. If you find yourself feeling anxious, acknowledge it. Say to yourself, "I'm feeling anxious right now, and that's okay." This acceptance can often take the power away from the anxiety. Now imagine using these tools during your travels. Perhaps you're on a long-haul flight, feeling the stress creeping in. You remember your invisible toolbox. You take a deep breath, close your eyes, and focus on the hum of the engine. You acknowledge your feelings without judgment. Before you know it, the anxiety starts to fade, replaced by a sense of calm. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. So, equip yourself with these relaxation techniques and transform your travel experiences. Make each journey a journey of self-discovery and inner peace. After all, isn't that the best kind of travel? Sometimes, professional help can make all the difference. This might be the key to unlocking the door to your travel dreams, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. In fact, many people find that consulting with a professional, such as a therapist or counselor, can be incredibly beneficial. These professionals specialize in anxiety management, and they can provide you with tailored strategies to handle your travel anxiety. Imagine having a personalized toolkit filled with strategies that are designed specifically for you. That's what a professional can provide. They can help you understand your anxiety, identify your triggers, and give you practical tools to manage it. This kind of support can be invaluable, especially if your travel anxiety feels overwhelming. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to dealing with anxiety, so don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. Travel should be a joy, not a source of stress. Traveling is a beautiful experience that everyone should be able to enjoy without anxiety. As we draw this journey to a close, let's take a moment to look back at the paths we've walked together in this video. Firstly, we dove into the world of travel anxiety and its triggers, acknowledging that every person's anxiety is unique and each of us has different triggers. It's essential to identify what causes your unease so you can best prepare and manage your reactions. We then ventured into the realm of preparation. Preparation is your best ally against travel anxiety. It means researching your destination, creating a detailed itinerary, confirming your reservations, and packing well in advance. Remember, the more prepared you are, the less room there is for anxiety to creep in. Next, we explored the calming world of relaxation techniques. These techniques are tools in your arsenal against travel anxiety. Deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, visualization, and mindfulness meditation can all help soothe anxious feelings and bring you back to the present moment. Lastly, we discussed seeking professional help. If your travel anxiety is severe and significantly impacting your life, it's important to consult with a mental health professional. There's no shame in seeking help. In fact, it's a brave step towards reclaiming your ability to explore the world. Traveling is about broadening your horizons, exploring new cultures, and making memories to last a lifetime. It's about embracing the unknown and stepping out of your comfort zone. You deserve to experience all the joy and excitement that travel has to offer without the shadow of anxiety. Remember, the journey of overcoming travel anxiety is a personal one, and it's okay to take it at your own pace. Each small victory is a step towards a more relaxed and enjoyable travel experience. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting facts. If you want to learn more about tips with travel with kids, watch this video next.